If you are wondering where is the microphone located on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then let me quickly show you. So we have a couple of microphones on this device. The first microphone can be found over here at the bottom of the phone, and here on the right side between the USB-C port and the SIM tray, we can find this hole, which is the microphone. There's also the top microphone over here at the top of the device. This left hole over here is the microphone as well. The third microphone is located on the back, and let me try to show you. I'm not sure if I will be able to show you that, but over here on this side, on the left side of this ring, we can find a little hole. You may probably notice it at the bottom right next to the back panel. This is the third microphone that is used by the camera, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.